Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from iSocialU.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Zoom on your computer. And if you're like me and you love the dark mode, you're going to love this short video. Alright, now before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this. So the first step obviously is you want to go to zoom.us and make sure you sign up and also download the meeting client on your computer. So in my case, I have Mac, and let me pull up Zoom on my computer. Here you go. So this is my meeting client, and I am gonna, so you either have to join the meeting or you can sign in. So I'm gonna sign in. Let's see, open Zoom. And it's gonna open up the Zoom for me right here. All right, now so right now it's the light mode. So how do you enable the dark mode on Zoom? You are gonna click on this settings icon right here. So let's click on that, and this is it. This has so many settings that you can play with the video. So that's me. You can enable HD, also the virtual backgrounds. So many options. Look at that. I'm gonna go back to the general, and this is where the dark mode settings is. So if I hit light, so it's gonna be light. If I want dark, I can click on dark, and look at this, it's gonna be dark mode now. How cool is that? I know some people love dark mode and they will love this little feature inside the Zoom. And then also, instead of just setting up the tool Zoom itself on light and dark, you can also follow system settings. So when you do that, basically whatever your system settings are, it's gonna follow that. So right now my settings are light, so it's gonna be light right now, but during the nighttime when I change it to dark mode, it's gonna change it to the dark mode on my Zoom. And then you can also change the reaction skin tone based on whatever you want here. And then make sure, once you select what you want, let's close that, and that's it. It's super simple, but if you love the dark mode, you can, in just matter of 10 seconds, enable dark mode on your Zoom meetings. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.